Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to charge your ACER Predator 17. In order to charge it, you'll need to use a proprietary cable by ACER, which is made for Predator because for other ACER laptops there's a chance there may be some different ones. So make sure that I think that fits. I'm gonna show that cable. You can see it right here. And yeah, it's quite a big circle. It's typically marked with red, but if it's a replacement cable, it may be just any other color. And it's also very important that it's 180 watts. So the power supply has to be 180 watts. Of course, if you use a smaller one, then probably nothing will happen, but there's a chance that if the power supply doesn't supply enough power, then that it'll either not charge, or instead of charging, it will just discharge at a slower rate, or the charging may be just too slow. So it's great to have the 180 watt charger, and also make sure that it's genuine. I mean, it doesn't really have to be provided by ACER. If you get a good replacement charger, which is from a reputable brand, then it'll be probably great. But if you get it for cheap from a generic brand like that doesn't have any reputation at all, then there's a chance that it may break pretty quickly. It may supply inconsistent power, which may harm your device, or there's also a chance that the power supply may simply explode in some very bad scenarios. So just make sure that it's something reputable and feel free to use it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.